Hey gang, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and there is, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, a high probability of a market crash coming up. So again, in my opinion, there's a high probability of a market crash. The stock markets, the equity market is going to tank. Why do I say that? Well, there's massive chaos. There's millions of people that don't have jobs. We're having our democracy crumple down. We're having people march on the streets. We are having massive amount of people that are in debt. We're having massive amount of investors and YouTubers that say they're, refinancing all their homes and getting more and more and more in debt. In today's society, we think that debt is rich. A lot of people think that they have so much debt, they're really rich. So that's why I'm predicting a market crash coming up very, very soon. The other thing I want to talk about real quick is high interest rate. In my opinion, I believe we're going to be having high interest rates coming because of what the Fed has done with printing all this money. We're going to have, 10%, 12%, 18%, somewhere around there interest rate, but a lot higher than what it is today. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball, but I have a funny feeling that the same thing that happened in the 80s is the same thing's going to happen, right? Because history repeats itself. So that is, we're going to have high interest rate, because if you don't have high interest rate, all this easy printing, all this stimulus, all this free stuff has caused my next point, which is inflation, guys. Okay, inflation is out of this world, guys. You have inflation in groceries. You have inflation in if you buy a F-150, for example. If you look 10 years ago what an F-150 cost and what it costs today. If you're looking in real estate, golly, guys, look how expensive a single residential home is, okay? The median home today has increased so much more than 10 years ago, right? If you're looking at the stock market, look how high the stock market is. If you're looking at gold, look how high gold is. If you're looking at Bitcoin, so that's all coming from inflation. Too much money printing, too much stimulus, and so this is all going to tie into, it's going to be a round circle into the market crash, which then will lead into high interest rate. Maybe they're going to pump the high interest rate before the market crash, which then is going to cause the market crash, or it could be the market crash happens, and then for them to fix it, they're going to jack up the interest rate, which is going to cause more problems. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, share this message, leave a comment below, whatever, what you had for lunch, what do you like to do, what you're investing in, etc. Peace.